Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set color range on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if I want to set the color range, click to the star icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find 9 options. You go to the color range under the invert selection area, click that, and you can enable how to show selection. You can add a reference points. You can edit the fuzziness, the range, and you can add the compost type. If you like that, click to the OK icon, and if that's not OK, click to the X. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.